Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the Rahul Jaiswal from the Naksh Carpet, and today we are discussing a very important topic, that is type of rug back finishing by the Naksh. So after doing the tufting, the second step and the very important step is the rug back latexing and the back finishing process. For doing so, we have a four type of options. First option with the cotton back fabric finishing. Second option is the PP back finishing. Third option is the pre-glue anti-skid back finishing, and the fourth option is the pre-glue cotton back finishing. All type of finishing are we use according to the different type of nature of the rug placement at their place and what type of our customer. Cotton backing fabric are generally we use for the big quality of the area rugs and that is used for the indoor rugs. PP mesh backing fabric is used for the area where we need to place our rugs on the outdoor purposes or for the area where the moisture are always contained, just like your bathrooms or at your corridors or at your lawns. Third type of pre-glue anti-skid fabric rug back finishing. What is the meaning of the pre-glue anti-skid? Means the fabric is anti-skid and already glue are applied there. What you need to do is that just you need to place your fabric over the rug and do the iron, and it hold the fabric, tufting fabric, yarn and this fabric. So this is the process are generally used where you have to convert your rug quick from tufting to the finished image. Generally ideal for the small rugs of the size 3 feet of the 3 feet or for the rug tufting workshop. Is the pre-glue cotton fabric. So this is the same as the anti-skid fabric, but this time this is the cotton fabric. You need to place your fabric over the rug backing and do the iron, and this will hold the fabric, your yarn and your tufting fabric. So one by one we will show you how do we do the all four type of finishing process, and then you select what is the best suitable for your processes. So we start the rug back finishing process for all the four type of rug back activity. So for the first and the second back finishing we use the Naksh brand latex, and we use for the first type with the cotton, and for the second type of back finishing with the PP mesh for the outdoor rugs. We open our 1 kg of the latex pouch. We put with the help of spreader. We always use 1 inch extra latexing from the rug. One inch extra from the fabric. Now we put our pre-cut cotton fabric over there. And I press gently. Now we leave it for the next 12 hours. We apply the same latex here. One inch extra latexing is we do due to that yarn is not open from the ends.
After coating all wear, we use our PP mesh, and then so with the help of our rug back latexing, we use the both type of finishing work. This is used for the indoor rug purposes, and this type of finishing we use for the outdoor rug purposes, because this PP mesh is not damaged with the moisture. Now we come to the our third and the fourth process. In the third and the fourth process, we not use this glue. As I told you earlier, we have the pre-glue fabric. The already glue is pasted here. We need to put there, and this is the cotton we need to put there, and then we do iron over. Now we come on the third and the fourth process. In the third and fourth process, we not use glue. In place of glue, as I told you earlier, we use pre-glue fabric, and this is the new technology, and instant convert this rug, this backing process complete. For this and this process, you need to wait for the next 12 hours for let them dry. But for this process, place the fabric, put your butter paper over there like that. Any of the your domestic iron, just we do press. And this backing process is complete. Now we come on the normal fabric, cotton fabric pre-glue. So this way, these two rug back latexing process are completed. So now we can cut this from the sides and start our rug front side finishing process. But for these two processes, we need to wait for the next 12 hours. So let me cut it this two fabric and start the next tutorial for the rug finishing, and we do this for the later.